Hello, I'm going to be showing you my version of the strawberry makeup. First I'm going to use my Monat rejuvanique oil all over my face. It's my favorite thing to use on my face before my makeup. It's so moisturizing and yeah, it's so nice. So then I'm going to use the PIXI glowing mist, and then for my brows, the NARS brow glue. I never really fill in my brows anymore. I'm lucky enough to have nice full thick brows, so I just brush them out with the glue so they're nice and fluffy, and then even them out so they're not kind of crazy looking. And then I'm going to go in with the milk makeup. I'm not sure the color, but I just dab it all over my cheeks and then use my ring finger to rub it all evenly in, and then I'm going to dab it all over my nose as well, the tip of my nose, and then use the exact same stuff on my lips. It's so nice and moisturizing, so I'm just going to dab that in as well, use the excess to go back over. And then the PIXI, it's almost like a highlight blush I've been using for a long time. Just going over the stuff that I already went on. And then the NARS, it's a cute little compact bronzing palette. And I'm just using a little brush to blend it out under my cheeks and anywhere I need some extra glowy bronzing. Yeah, so I'm just gonna put some on my forehead and my nose and under my chin and just blend it out. And then I'm gonna put a little bit on my eyelids, and then go in with the Urban Decay brow blade and make some cute little freckles. It's funny that I'm doing this because I used to always have such nice freckles when I was young, being out in the sun. I didn't have to do this at all, so it was really funny. And then I would dab it in with my ring finger just to make it a little more subtle. Curl my lashes, and then I'll go in with the Milk Kush mascara. Just a little mini mascara tube that I think I got with that Milk makeup that I used on my lips and cheeks. And I'm going to put that all over my eyelashes, the bottom lashes as well. I'm lucky that I have nice long natural lashes. And that's the final look. Hope you guys enjoy. Super easy look. It's so cute and fun for the summer. Bye. Hope you guys enjoy.